Hey everyone, Nate Zeisler here, and it's time to start building your website. Whether you're an artist that wants to showcase your work, a member of the gig economy who's trying to grow their own business, or someone who's looking for a new corporate position, a website is a perfect place to focus your attention. I was reluctant to have a website for a long time because it didn't seem to be beneficial to my career. But, a personal website is an incredibly powerful career development tool on par with having a resume or a cover letter ready to go. There are 3 reasons that I believe having a website is essential to being successful in the workforce. First and foremost, the very first place a person is going to go to find more information out about you is Google. What you want to try to avoid is having your social media feeds or that awkward video of you attending prom at age 16 coming to the top of that Google search. While it's often difficult to remove a lot of that content, what you can control is a website. You control your website, you control the content, and your website, if done correctly, will come to the top of the search every time. Second, your website is your personal business card. Not only can you provide valuable information about your life and career, you also can shed a little bit more light about who you are as a human being. Finally, having your own website allows you to control your personal brand. Even after social media handles go away, your website can remain, and you have total control over what people see and learn about who you are. In our next video, guaranteed to be 3 minutes or less, we'll go through step by step what you need to have in order to build your website. Thanks for watching.